G'day guys and welcome back to another video. Today we'll be covering Network Services 2 under the complete beginner track for a bit of TryHackMe. So I'm not feeling too crash hot today, so I'll give it a bit of a crack and I might call time a bit earlier, but I've started up my machines just a little bit earlier in the piece. Cool, now I'm up to 11 days. Alright, now I can sign out. What is NFS file share? Network file share, I'd say. Oh, file system. What process allows NFS clients to interact with a remote directory as though it was a physical device? I'll skip that. What does NFS use to represent files and directories on the server? Yeah, file handle. Great. What protocol does NFS use to communicate between the server and client? TCP or UDP? I'm just trying random protocols here. Oh, RPC. Yep, makes sense. Can Windows NFS server share files with Linux client? Yeah, it said it could. Can a Linux NFS? Reckons it can. What is the latest version of NFS released in 2016 but still up to date? Require external research. Latest version of NFS 4.2 according to my Wikipedias. That is correct. What two pieces of user data does the NFS server take as parameters for controlling user permissions? Probably group ID, I'd say. What process allows an NFS client to interact with a remote directory through a physical device? Mounting. There we go. Enumerating. Alright, this is where we have to get a bit crafty. Conduct a thorough port scan of your choosing. How many ports are open? Every time I do a port scan, it just takes forever. A full port scan anyway. I'm going to try the first 1,000 and see if that's the right answer, because I don't want to have to do a full port scan. And map dash S. How much information do we need? Do we want service as well? C4. What's our machine? Okay, let's start scanning that. Oh no, there's got to be 1. 2. Three ports open. Unbelievable. That's not the answer. So that's before then. Come on. Alright, I'm going to run this in the background, guys, and I'll be back with you soon once it's completed. Okay guys, so 20 minutes later and we've got our results. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Should be 7. Got it. Which port contains the service we're looking to enumerate? What are we trying to enumerate? NFS, I'd say 2049. Swell. Now use a SBIN movement EIP to list the NFS shares. What is the name of the file visible there? So if we go user SBIN show mount enumerate IP 10.10.191.210. Anything else I need? Home. I can see home. Alright, time to mount the share to our local machine. First use make the temp mount to create a directory on your machine to mount a share to. This is a temp directory, so be aware that it will be removed on restart. Then use the mount command we broke down earlier to mount the NFS to your local machine. Change the directory where you mounted the share. What is the name of the folder inside? Make the temp mount. Okay. Oh, it's all one word. Okay, done. So sudo mount dash type nfs file share and the directory to temp mount no lock. Excellent. It's just in there, but why didn't it? Cappuccino. Have a look inside this directory, look at the files. Looks like we're inside a user's home directory. So we just go cappuccino. I don't see anything, bro. There's no files in there, bro, unless they're hidden. Oh, yeah, that's a good idea. Okay, cool. Now we're starting to. Yeah, ls minus a gets me a bit more what we want. Let's do a bit of research now. We'll have a look through the folders, which these folders can contain keys that help us get access to a remote server. Probably SSH, I'd say. Okay, yep. So I'd say .ssh. What key is most useful? Be like ID RSA. Cool. Copy this file to a different location on your local machine. Change permissions to 600. Assuming we're right about what type of directory this is, we can easily work out the name the user corresponds to. Username up here. Let's find out. I'm gonna go with yes. Great, I got it. Copy it. Copy it. So maybe temp. Top pub to temp. CD back to temp. So yep, change the permissions around first, my bad. So if we go change mode 600 and then ID RSA. Cool, permissions are changed. What was the username again? Was it cappuccino? Something like that? SSH-I. And then we've got ID RSA. Username. I'm going to guess that is that cappuccino one. Cappuccino at 10.10.191. Yes. Oh, shit. I gotta type. Actually type in yes. Boom! We got there. Thanks heaps for sticking around, guys. If you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe away, all that amazing stuff. Thanks for sticking around. I'll see you guys in the next video.